In this video, you will learn how to get a Cash App card under 18 without a parent. First, Cash App requires users to be at least 18-year-old to sign up for a Cash App account or order a Cash App card. Unfortunately, if you're under 18, you cannot directly obtain a Cash App card. However, there are a few alternative options. First, use a parent or guardian's account. One way to use a Cash App as a minor is to have a parent or guardian open the account in their name and add you as an authorized user. You can even order the Cash App card for you and to manage your transactions. However, they will have full control over your account. Look for other prepaid cards. There are other prepaid debit cards available for minors, such as Greenlight, which are designed specifically for kids and teens. These cards allow parents to monitor and spend and control what spending while giving them the ability to make purchases. The final option is wait until you're 18. Once you're 18, you can open your own Cash App account and apply for the Cash App card directly. You will have full control over the account and card's features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.